That's how much play we got. That is so bad. Alright, we got a 12mm on a flexi head, but I don't think it's gonna fit. No. Alright, what about just a normal spanner? Because we can fit that up between that little stabilizer bit. There we go. We got a nut off. Alright, now to try and punch out that thing somehow. That just does not want to budge. Alright, so update on how all this is going. We finally got our little drive pin out. I don't know how to get the rest out. And this is just an absolute nightmare. Ah, we're gonna keep going. We're gonna keep pushing through it. Alright, idea. I got this massive long tech screw of some sort. And we got the adapter to sit on there, and I'm just going to get one of my little extensions, cut the little bit off the end here so it doesn't actually go into the drive thing, we actually push it out. I don't know if that made any sense, but I'm just really getting over this, but we are having some success with it. It is pushing it out. So once this is pushed out, I'm assuming this would be able to spin sort of, and then we might be able to drop that bolt out. Oh, there we go. It's out. What a mission. That should give us enough room to spin this around a little bit. Oh, there we go. It is done. We have a shift knuckle off. Alright, so I'll show you the difference between the old and the new one, how much play there is between them. Alright, now we are faced with the task of doing all that in reverse. Alright, so I think the best way is going to be slipping this over the shaft and getting this bolt in first and then do the drive pin, I think. Alright, there we go. Bolt is in. I'm not sure how much of this you guys are seeing. We're going to try and do this. Now I've got to figure out how I'm going to put this pin back in. Well, the new one anyway. Although, I do have an idea. If I can find a socket that fits snug over that, we can still make that work. Alright, here goes nothing. Look at that, it does. How good's that? Look at that, almost no play at all. That's so much better. That's good. That's good. I like that. That's going to be way better.